Mark chapter 16. Jesus wake up from death. Mary Magdalene and Mary wey be James and Salome mama come buy some things wey dey scent well, make dem go rub am for Jesus body, make e no for smell. For early morning on Sunday, as sun just dey come out, dem come go the place where dem bury Jesus put. Dem come dey ask each other as dem dey go, say, who go help us roll the stone comot from the grave mouth? But when dem look, dem see say dem don already roll the stone comot. As dem enter, dem see one man wey wear white cloth sit down for the right side, and fear come catch dem. But he tell dem, make una no fear. Una dey find Jesus wey come from Nazareth, wey dem kill. God don raise am from death. E no dey here again. Make una look the place where they put am before. Make una go tell him disciples and Peter say Jesus don go Galilee, go wait for them. Una go see am for there as he tell una before. The women come out, come run from the graveside because dem surprise and fear dey catch them. Dem no fit tell anybody anything because dem still dey fear. The ending. For early morning on Sunday, after Jesus don wake up, he first appear to Mary Magdalene, where he drive 7 demons comot for him body. For where the people wey dey follow Jesus dey mourn and cry dey, Mary Magdalene come go tell them wetin happen. When they hear say Jesus don wake up from death and Mary Magdalene don see am, dem no believe. After, Jesus still appear to 2 people as dem dey waka go town. They go back go tell the rest people, but the people no still believe them. Then Jesus appeared to the 11 disciples when dem dey shop. He shout give them since they no believe because of their strong heart. Jesus command them say, make una enter everywhere for the world, go preach the gospel give everybody. Anybody wey believe and then baptize am, God go save am. But anybody wey not believe, God go condemn am. These signs go follow people wey believe. With my name, they go drive demon comot from people body. They go speak new language where they no learn. They go fit whole snake, and if they drink poison, e no go do them anything. They go put their hand for people wey no well body, and the people go well. After Jesus don talk to them finish, God come carry am go heaven, and he sit down for God right side. Then the disciples go everywhere for the area, they preach the gospel, and Jesus dey do many miracles through them, so that people go know say wetin dem dey preach na true.
All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una go help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.